Hey Pen Adventures, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous Pen Adventure Shalomi, and today I'm happy to be participating in another collab hosted by three phenomenal women. We have Lissa over there at GreenCrystalRose, Denise at Dazzling Designs by Denise, and Beverly over there at Beverly's Design Time. So what we have been tasked with is to create a 4th of July home decor item or a centerpiece using items from the dollar store, and our budget cannot exceed $20. I will leave a link to these ladies' channels below so you can check them out and the amazing stuff that they create. As well, I will leave a link with the playlist below so you can check out all the other amazing creators participating in this collab. So I went ahead and I picked up my little, stuff from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree and the Dollarama, and I've put something together. So if you want to see what I did, stick around.
Today we'll be making a 3-tiered tray, and here are the items that I've picked up from the dollar store. First thing you will need is a pack of burner covers from the Dollar Tree. They come 2 a pack. There's a larger one and a smaller one, which will serve as your middle and top tray. You will also need 2 pizza pans, also from the Dollar Tree, and these will serve as your bottom tray. Now I have these 2 candlesticks that I've had for a while, and I'm trying to determine, am I going to use these ones or am I going to use the usual suspects from the Dollar Tree? As we go along in this video, we'll see which one I chose. I'll also be using these acrylic gems. These I picked up at the Dollarama. Some blue gems, and these ones were in the Dollar Tree. And from the Dollar Tree, I also picked up this fix-all glue that I'll be using as well, along with my glue gun. I have sprayed my pizza pans white using spray paint that I've had lying around the house. I did the top of one and the bottom of the other. I've also covered the picture that was on the burner cover set just slightly, just to keep everything true white. And what I'll be doing next is I'll be gluing the pizza pans together. I'll be putting the bottoms together, and we will see why as we go on through the video. Okay, let's put these pizza pans together. I'll be using my hot glue gun as well as some glue, and what I did, I found another tube of glue that I had laying around the house. It's a cement that I picked up from the Dollarama a while back, so I'll be using that, and if I run out, then I'll use the other one, the fix-all that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just trying to get it out of the tube here as much as I possibly can, all the way around the bottom of the pan, getting it all out. And with that, I will add some hot glue. So the glue in the tube, the cement, is for a longer lasting hold, and the hot glue gun is just so I can put the two together for an immediate effect for this video. So then I will take the other pan and I will put them together, both bottoms together, just like so, pressing it in gently to make sure that they adhere. Just to ensure that they're securely fastened and adhere together, I'm adding some weight on top of it, and in this case I'm using this very heavy picture frame that is still in the box, and I will set that aside to dry while we move on to the next step. While we wait for the other trays to dry, I will be adding the gems to the other trays using my hot glue gun, just adding a dab of glue and then adhering it to the side of the tray, holding it in place just a little bit to make sure that it's securely fastened to the side, like so. And what I'll be doing is alternating the colors all the way around the tray. here we are with the first one done. I've worked my way all around, alternating the colors, and this is what it looks like so far. And as if that wasn't enough, look what I found. I found some more acrylic gems that I picked up at Walmart a while ago. And what I'll be doing is I'll be adding them in between the gems that I've already added, just for some extra sparkle, some extra shine, just like so, all the way around. And here it is after I added the extra gems. I definitely think it adds a little extra shimmer and shine to the red and blue. What do you guys think? Okay, it's 3 hours later and our pizza pans are dried. And the reason I had them back to back is so it would create this little cleft where I could add the red and blue gems. So that is why I had placed them bottom sides together. And again, using the same method we did before, we will be adding the blue and red acrylic gems all the way around the pizza pan. And here we are. The bottom tray is all done. Now let's connect all 3 trays together. Okay guys, so I've decided to use the white candlesticks that I've had for a while. And just when we thought we couldn't add any more bling, of course, I'm going to add some more bling. I'm going to be using these stickers I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I picked them up in blue and red, and I'm just going to be outlining the candlesticks with them. And finally, it is assembly time. The bottom tray is ready. There's your candlestick all put together, and I'm just going to center it as best as I possibly can. And then I'm going to use the Fix-All this time. Line it around the edge of the candlestick as much as I possibly can so that it holds together firmly. And then I'm just going to top it off using the hot glue gun, just like this. And again, making sure that I find the most center part of the tray, eyeballing it, stick it in, and we are done with our first tray. I added the next 2 trays using the exact same method, and now for the big reveal. And here is the finished product. I think it turned out great. The colors are beautiful, and I have adorned it with some delicious fruits and some pastries, some croissants, some muffins. I've added some danishes along with some delicious and refreshing strawberries, blueberries, watermelon. I mean, it's 4th of July, right? You cannot go wrong with some pastries and some fruit. I am getting hungry all over again just looking at this, okay? But thank you guys so much. Be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this 3-tiered tray. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate you and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget your notification bell. That way you can be first to know when I upload a video. Thank you guys so much, and until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying, love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.